Daghang nangutana sa ako nga. Hana, unsa day ang electrostatics? Wala ko nitubag, kay dili ako si Hana. Ako si Steffi. Bitaw mo, unsa day ang electrostatics? So electrostatics is the branch of physics that studies the behavior of electric charges at rest.
It deals with the interactions between stationary electric charges, including the forces they exert on each other and the potential energy associated with those forces. This experiment demonstrates electrostatic repulsion via the triboelectric effect. Rubbing the straw with paper transfers electrons, giving the straw a negative charge. When this charged straw is placed near the second straw on the bottle, the second straw also becomes negatively charged. Since like charges repel, the force between the two negatively charged straw pushes the balanced straw away.
Now we all know what electrostatic means.